animals. Wild animals live in nature. They are important to planet Earth. Some animals live on land. Other animals live in water. This is an elephant. Look at its big body. Wow! Elephants are grey. They've got 4 legs and they've got big ears too. They have also got 2 big teeth, the tusks. Elephants live in big families. Look at this baby. It's so cute. Here is a tiger. Tigers are big, wild cats. They live in the jungle. Look at the colors on this tiger. Tigers are orange and black. They have got 4 legs, a long tail, and whiskers. They've got sharp teeth. This is a whale. It is very big. Look at its big tail. Whales live in water. This whale has got a big mouth, but it hasn't got teeth. But crocodiles have got big, sharp teeth. They live on land and in water. They've got 4 short legs and a long tail. What about this animal? It's a spider. It's got 8 legs. Many spiders have got 8 eyes too. What's your favorite animal? What does it look like? Where does it live?